Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best backpack sprayers for weed killers. Number 1. Petra Garden. Experience hassle-free spraying with a powerful battery-powered solution designed for both professionals and homeowners. This 4-gallon backpack sprayer is equipped with a robust 12V8 battery that delivers an impressive 6 to 8 hours of runtime and pumps over 200 gallons on a single charge, lasting 4 times longer than standard lithium batteries. Ideal for large lawns, gardens, farms, or commercial use, it ensures consistent performance without the need for manual pumping. The adjustable pressure range of 40 to 90 psi and 6 versatile nozzles allow you to switch easily from a gentle mist to a targeted stream. Perfect for applying fertilizers, water, or weed killers. Designed with user comfort in mind, the sprayer features double-padded shoulder straps and a supportive back pad to reduce fatigue during long tasks. The upgraded 34.5-inch HD wand and wide-mouth lid ensure easy reach, quick filling, and cleaning, while the translucent tank with gallon markers lets you monitor fluid levels with ease. Built for durability and leak-free operation, it also comes with essential accessories like a charger, measuring cup, hose, valve handle, seal rings, and more. Backed by a dedicated USA-based support team, this sprayer offers dependable performance and peace of mind. Number 2. SideKing Backpack. Designed with user safety and performance in mind, this professional-grade backpack sprayer features an internal no-leak pump system that keeps chemicals contained, so nothing drips down your back during use. The powerful internal piston pump delivers up to 150 psi, offering the flexibility and pressure needed for a wide range of spraying tasks. Whether you're applying liquids or wettable powders, the 21-inch poly wand, fitted with premium Vuitton seals, ensures durability and chemical resistance, handling both piston and diaphragm sprayer duties with ease. The sprayer includes a lockable shutoff system with high-quality brass components and an inline filter to reduce clogs and maintain consistent flow. Maintenance is simple thanks to the easy-access pump design. Seals can be changed within minutes, without the need for tools. Versatility is at the forefront with 6 included nozzles: adjustable brass, high-volume wide fan brown, low-volume wide fan red, low-volume narrow fan yellow, jet stream, orange, and foaming nozzle, black. It also accepts T-jet nozzles for additional spraying needs. Built for performance, comfort, and safety, this backpack sprayer is ideal for both professional landscapers and serious DIY users handling herbicides, pesticides, or fertilizers. Number 3. VAXMAY Electric. This high-performance battery-powered backpack sprayer is designed for efficiency, comfort, and long-lasting use across a wide range of applications. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it offers hassle-free battery replacement and features a digital voltage display for real-time monitoring. A built-in battery discharge protection system automatically shuts off power below 14V, extending battery life and ensuring consistent operation. Capable of spraying up to 16 full tanks on a single charge, this electric sprayer is powered by a 2.6 21V battery and includes a universal 110-240V charger. Its high-speed 3,800 RPM motor delivers up to 100 psi of spraying pressure, allowing you to switch between fine mists and powerful jets using the adjustable pressure knob. 5 interchangeable nozzles and a telescopic wand that extends to 39.3 inches provide flexibility and precision for all spraying tasks, from gardening and lawn care to large-scale agricultural use. Comfort is key with thickened, padded shoulder straps and an ergonomic waist support system that reduces fatigue during extended use. A translucent tank makes it easy to monitor liquid levels, while a built-in storage compartment keeps nozzles and accessories organized and within reach. Number 4. SideKing Pressure. Upgrade your spraying routine with a high-pressure, battery-powered backpack sprayer that delivers unmatched efficiency and ease of use. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual pumping. This advanced sprayer is compatible with Makita 18V batteries, allowing for quick battery swaps and continuous operation. Offering up to 3 to 4 times the efficiency of traditional sprayers, it saves you time and effort on every task. Powered by a 2.6 lithium battery, It provides up to 2 hours of uninterrupted spraying per charge, while the included charger restores full power in just 3 hours. A digital voltage display helps you monitor battery levels in real time, and built-in discharge protection ensures the sprayer automatically shuts off below 14V to extend battery life. With a powerful 100 psi spray force and a reach of over 25 feet, this sprayer tackles everything from garden care to cleaning and dusting with precision. The stainless steel telescopic spray wand and adjustable pressure knob offer control and flexibility. Comfort is a priority with double-padded shoulder straps, an ergonomic trigger, and a semi-transparent tank for easy liquid monitoring. The wide-mouth lid and secondary storage cap enhance convenience, making this sprayer a reliable solution for any spraying job. Number 5. REALWORK Backpack. Designed for both indoor and outdoor tasks, this versatile backpack sprayer offers ease, efficiency, and comfort in every application. The wide funnel-style top makes filling hassle-free, while the semi-transparent polyethylene tank lets you monitor fluid levels at a glance, so you'll always know when it's time to refill. Perfect for use in vegetable gardens, patio plants, hanging baskets, or along walkways, this sprayer is built to handle a wide variety of jobs around your home or garden. Equipped with a high-efficiency pump and chemical-resistant seals, it ensures reliable performance with minimal effort. A built-in pressure release valve adds an extra layer of safety, and the locking trigger allows for continuous spraying without finger fatigue. Padded shoulder straps provide comfortable support, even during extended use. The durable, reinforced hose and chemical-resistant polymer wand are built for long-term performance, while the adjustable nozzles let you fine-tune your spray for precision and coverage. Every unit undergoes a leak test before shipping, so a small amount of residual moisture may be present upon arrival. This is completely normal. Backed by a commitment to customer satisfaction, this sprayer is a dependable tool for efficient, year-round plant and surface care. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.